Perfect place to fish some light gear with the kids. I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial on how to rig a line. They all know anyway, they've been around for years, but I use a very small sinker, very light line, straight through like that. I swivel, that stops it getting twisted up. And I do a really simple knot. You just grab the swivel and you go round and round 6 times or 7 times or 8 times. Then you go back through the hole and then back through there like that. And then just use your teeth. Just pull it tight. And then, because I want to catch a whiting or something, we'll leave a little bit of trace, quite a bit of trace. And we'll just bite it off here. We'll tie the swivel on for the other end. Which hooks?
The red.
You want the red definitely, not the little ones. These are very, very sharp hooks, these hooks. And they're especially for using yabbies or worms. So these are called bloodworms, and they're dug near the mouth of the Brisbane River with a fork, and gee, it's hard work. So they cost a lot of money, but the whiting love them. See, he's trying to bite me. They actually have, yep, they actually have little teeth that can bite you.
Can I feel?